After thinking it over, you've decided to take the plunge into becoming a barista in your kitchen. Perhaps you've checked your budget, taken note of the frequency of visiting your favorite coffee house, and have decided you need to keep more cash in your bank account. Perhaps you desire to dive into experimentation at home to discover your perfect blend of espresso and pulling the shots, pun fully intended. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best espresso machine for beginners you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Mr. Coffee Steam Espresso System. The Mr. Coffee 4-cup steam espresso system may be the best option for beginners who just want to get their toes wet with a home machine. Rounding out the list as the most economical option, it's easy to use and remarkably quiet, too. With 3-bar pressure, this machine heats quickly and has a frothing arm that produces a nice consistency. It's important to point out that to release the pressure before removing parts for safe cleaning, you must unplug the machine and switch the selection knob to steam. While it's the least expensive on our list, this option is ideal for the most infrequent user who wants to spend little money for the learning experience. Number 4. SOWTECH 4-cup espresso maker. The SOWTECH 3.5-bar 4-cup espresso maker is an easy-to-use, compact model with 3.5 bars pressure. This machine offers a single knob control for an effortless experience. For the price, it delivers a robust espresso with a smooth, although minimal, crema. While it produces a full-bodied espresso, be sure to add enough water if you'll be using the steaming wand. Switching over from brew to steam could be a fussy experience until you get the hang of it, so bring your patience with you. With no automatic shut-off, be sure to stand by to do just that. While it's easy to clean, this model will need to be washed after every use to maintain maximum results and maintain longevity. As a bestseller, it's an inexpensive machine suitable for the entry-level barista. Number 3. Delonghi EC680M DEDICA. The Delonghi EC680M DEDICA 15-bar pump espresso machine is another compact model that's considered user-friendly. This choice lands in the middle of the list because of the price. While still affordable, it costs twice as much as number 2. One advantage of this one is that it accommodates a taller cup for those who need a little more room for their favorite coffee drink. This choice has a fast heat-up time of 30 seconds. Though some parts are flagged as dishwasher safe, you may want to proceed with caution, as dishwasher detergent can leave a residue you'll be washing off afterward. While you're washing, go ahead and include the plastic frothing attachment, as it needs to be washed after every use. If you're looking for the easiest option, this machine has one-press single and double-shot buttons with an automatic shutoff. While a little pricey, it's a good choice for the minimalist looking for the feel of a barista coffee without the extra work. Number 2. Nespresso BNE800 BSS Creatista Plus. The Nespresso Creatista Plus offers freshly brewed coffee as well as delicious authentic espresso. The Creatista Plus can turn into your personal latte maker with the attached milk frother, allowing you to create top-quality latte art in your kitchen. Brew different single-serve coffee and espresso beverage options at the touch of a button depending on your coffee needs. Nespresso Creatista Plus includes a 1.5L removable water tank, an auto-purge steam wand, 19 bars of pressure, a fast automatic cleaning process, a stainless milk jug and a 2-year warranty. Heats up in less than 3 seconds with an automatic off mode after 9 minutes. Number 1. Breville BES500 BSS Bambino Plus. The Breville BES500 BSS Bambino Plus espresso machine has a lot to offer in a compact package. With a 3-second heat-up time, this machine is lightning fast compared to other models. It comes with a pressurized basket and produces a 19-gram dose to ensure you get the best quality with full flavor in every shot. The milk steamer is a notably excellent option that steams quickly, and it has an automatic steam wand to adjust temperature and texture. If you love coffee as much as we do, it's likely you mentally hug your coffee-producing gizmo as you greet the day. With this compact, lightweight machine, you may have to physically bear hug it with every use to get the filter basket in and out. It's commonly recognized that it tends to get stuck. Although this isn't a completely perfect machine, this is a great choice for a beginner. It's the most expensive on the list, but it may pay for itself as you spend less time in the coffee shop line. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.